Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this daisy keyring. We will be using size 4 yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Start with making a magic circle and make 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the circle. Next round we'll make increased stitches into every stitch. So you'll make 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch of a round below. And I'd like to mark my first stitch so I know when I've finished the round. So that's 1, 2, and then 2 into the next one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Next round we will do a single crochet followed by an increase. So you do 1 single crochet first, and then into the next one there's 2 single crochets, which is increase stitch, and you'll keep repeating this all the way around, and you will have 18 stitches after finishing this round. Next round we will make single crochet and then increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So you will repeat this all the way around, single crochet first, then the increase stitch, and then another single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 24 stitches. Next round we will make single crochet stitches all the way around. So you will be making 24 single crochet stitches. When you get to the end of this round, fast enough, and cut your yarn. Now you have to make same again. So make another circle just like this one, and then I'll show you how you start adding the petals. When you've done your 2 circles, you will be attaching them together, and you will use your petal color for that, which is white. Your work will have a right side and the wrong side. You'll put the 2 wrong sides together so that both of the right sides are facing outside, and you will go through both sides together, working through both of the sides together. So the single crochet stitch will go through 2 loops, one from the one side and one from the other side. Attach your colour and chain 1 to start with, which does not count as a stitch, and then single crochet all the way around, going through both sides. Just take 1 stitch at a time. Make sure you get the next stitch Might be a bit tricky on the reverse circle, but there should be 24 stitches all the way around. So keep going until you make 20 stitches. Don't close the gap just yet because we will add a little bit of stuff in. When you completed your 20 single crochet stitches, you can just tuck in all these tails and also add a little bit of stuff in. And then finish going around until the end to close that gap. The final stitch will be slip stitch into that first single crochet stitch you made. To make the petals for your flower, you chain 6, skip your first chain from your hook and make a half a double crochet stitch into the next chain and all the other chains until you get back to the flower. So you'll be making 5 half a double crochet stitches along the chain, yarn over, go through your chain loop and then go through all the 3 loops. Then you go to the end, you slip stitch into the next stitch and start again, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and same again. You skip the first chain from your hook and half a double crochet into each of the chains back towards the flower. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and you will be repeating this all the way around until you have made all your petals. When you completed your last petal, you slip stitch into your first stitch, and now to add the keyring we will chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then skip 3 chains from your hook and slip stitch into the 4th one, and then all the way along the chain back towards your flower. When you get there, just slip stitch another time just to secure everything, and now you can fasten off and cut the yarn. Now you'll see that where you skipped your 3 chains, there's a little gap, and this is where we'll be adding our keyring attachment. So get your keyring attachment and feed it through the loop. All you got left to do now is sew in your end, and your 3D daisy keyring is ready.